Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mr. Mess Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best popcorn chicken, just like the one at KFC, but better. But before we move forward, if you're new on my channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell, that way you don't miss anything. And now, if you're ready to learn how to make the best popcorn chicken, just like the one at KFC, but better, go ahead and put on your seatbelt and let's step on the gas. Okay, for our popcorn chicken, we're gonna need 4 medium chicken breasts. We're gonna go ahead and cut them in bite size, and then we're gonna go ahead and marinate them. So of course, with my chef knife, I'm gonna cut them in bite size, just like this. Okay, so after we cut our chicken in bite size, now we're gonna transfer them in a large bowl. And then we're gonna start to marinate them. Okay, so to marinate our chicken, we're gonna need 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper right in our bowl, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of buttermilk. So we're gonna go ahead and mix it up. So after we marinate our chicken, we're gonna make sure we wrap it. And we're gonna put it in the fridge and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. Okay, so after we marinate our chicken, now it's time to work on our dredge. For our dredge, we're gonna need 2 cups of AP flour, 1 cup of potato starch, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of dry mustard, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and for extra flavor we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of oregano and 1 teaspoon of dry thyme. We're going to go ahead and give it a mix to have everything well combined and nicely incorporate. Okay, our chicken been marinating for over an hour, so now we're gonna go to the next step. We're going to unwrap it, and we're gonna add in our 2 eggs. So we're gonna go ahead and crack our eggs. And then before we add it to our chicken, we're gonna make sure we beat it. Just like that. And we're gonna add it in our chicken. And we're gonna mix it up. Okay, so we pretty much have everything ready to go. We got our chicken marinated and we got our dredge. So this is how we're gonna bread our chicken. We're just gonna grab 1 piece of chicken at a time and drop in our dredge, just like that. Like that. Okay, so once you have your chicken in there, you're gonna make sure you just put the flour over it. So you're gonna coat it nicely in your dredge, shake the excess, and then set it aside, just like that. Grab more chicken, shake it. So I just grab the chicken and drop them in, just like that. Do not overcrowd your flour. Like that, and then we fold it in, you know. Make sure you coat your chicken nicely with the dredge. Just like that. and then you shake the excess flour and you set it aside. Okay, so we have here our chicken ready to go. So in the frying pan, we're gonna pour some oil in it. Just like that. And then we're gonna heat up our oil. So I have here my frying pan with some vegetables oil, preheat for about 350 degrees. And we're gonna go ahead and drop our chicken one by one. Just like that. We're gonna fry our chicken until it's golden brown. And this process takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Three minutes later, our chicken is all ready. So we're gonna take it out of the oil and put it on the cooling rack to make sure they stay crispy. I got my first batch ready to go, and I'm going to continue the process until I'm done frying the remaining chicken. Let's go. So I have here, of course, a KFC chicken box. So I'm gonna set inside parchment paper, just like this, and I'm gonna fill it with some chicken. Wow, our popcorn chicken is ready, so now it's time to go for the tasting. Wow, this popcorn chicken tastes so amazing and excellent. It tastes just like the one at KFC, but better. So for you guys to give it a try, I'm going to put the recipe in the description box below for you to give it a try and share with your family and friends. So we are in our video. If you like my video, give me a big thumbs up, and also if it's your first time to come across my channel, don't hesitate to subscribe and also hit the notification bell, that way you don't miss anything. So if you like it, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and see you next time for a nice and fresh video. Peace.